Welcome, soul family. It's Anthony, the Quantum Shaman. And today what we're going to do is a simple vertical energy clearing. Do some clearing using some overhead light from the heavens to pull down into our body. So before you can do this video, the first thing you need to learn is how to connect to your vertical column of energy. And if you have not watched that video yet, you're going to have to watch that one first. That one opens the door into this. It's the first exercise, connecting to the vertical column. And there's a link to that video in the description below. For this exercise, the first thing we do is connect to our vertical column. So if you've watched the video, you know how to do the vertical column connection. And what we're going to do is we're just going to begin breathing, using the breath to connect to our vertical column of energy. Okay, let's begin. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Very good. And as you connect to your vertical column of energy, that switches on and begins to open. Take your right hand and just tap on your head 3 times on the center of your head, teaching your body how to open itself, coming into that center awareness of that tap at the top of your head, tapping into that, and now having the awareness as if your head is opening like an eye. Opening like an eye, and now you're taking in energy from overhead. You're taking in a heavenly column of energy in through that eye and into your body. And as you continue to breathe, and you should still be breathing even though I'm talking, keep it moving, keep the energy moving, the flow moving. Pull this energy down into your central column. And as you pull it down into your central column, allow it then to sprout off in all directions, off the central column of energy. And what you're going to do is use this energy to release any heaviness, anything that you feel is stuck, stagnant, heavy, anything, any pain, any discomfort. Allow it to begin to dissipate in this white light that's moving outward from the center of your being, coming down through your head, grounding through your tailbone into the earth, and then spreading off in all directions. Imagining, feeling yourself beginning to illuminate, feeling vibration on the outside of your skin, feeling the vibration in the bones, in the muscles, and the tissues of the body. And as you breathe, continue breathing and charging yourself with this. And I'm going to breathe along with you here, and we're going to charge this up. Very good. Charging, and anything you feel that's heavy, stuck, or stagnant, feeling it moving to the outside, moving out to the edges of your skin. And now we're going to take a deep breath in. Hold. And what I want you to do is squeeze from your central column outward. And now allowing any heaviness as you squeeze coming through all the pores of your skin like smoke. And as you exhale, pushing out all the heavy energy. Now we're going to take a deep breath in, fill ourselves back up with light. Breath is light, filling in at the central column and pushing that outward. Squeeze and push out all the way out to your skin and then even beyond your skin, bringing light into your body, being and beyond. Squeeze and let go. Deep breath in. Hold. Squeeze lightly your entire vertical column from your tailbone all the way up to your scalp. Squeeze. And release. Ooh-wee. You can repeat this sequence a couple times if you'd like. It's really powerful, and the more you work this, the more powerful it becomes. You're teaching your energy system to help you become free of hucha, heavy energy. So this is a beautiful, beautiful exercise. Try to get this one in at least once a day. Try to do this every so often. And if you can't, just do it as often as you can remember. When you get used to doing this, you'll be able to do these things like turn on your vertical column and cleanse your energy field. You won't even need to go into any heavy breathing or any even real concentration. It'll become kind of second nature for you. And you'll just start kind of doing this. This will be part of your nature. And it's a lot more natural and healthy for you to be constantly flowing energy, in the flow of energy. That keeps you from being stagnant. This stops you from having emotional distress and fear. This also eliminates inflammation in the body, not to mention the vast benefits of using your nervous system in this way. And then I always recommend doing the breathing if you're in a capability where you can. If not, you'll breathe really slow when you do this. Just because maybe you're doing this at work, maybe you're at your desk. You don't even have to close your eyes. Maybe you can just stare off in a soft gaze into space, and you can slowly take in a breath and let go of breath and connect your vertical column of energy, and then begin to cleanse yourself. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do one more round of this. You can follow along. So the first thing is going to connect to my vertical column of energy. Opening the top of the head. Drawing in a downward flow of energy down and through my tailbone. My central column becomes like a supernova, bright white, pushing out. Big squeeze, pushing out. And as I exhale, letting it all go out to the furthest reaches of the universe. Taking a deep breath in. And then squeezing that. Filling up with light, pushing out with light all the way, and release. We'll do that 2 more times. Big breath in. Taking into the central column, pushing out, filling back in anywhere that was heavy, back with light. 1 more. Central column down. Beautiful. And there it is. There's a beautiful energy clearing exercise for you. Hit the comments. Let us know if you like that. Like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. We always are looking for people to be here with us, to be notified, to be here with some of these new videos we come out with and our morning live streams. Anaiki kuyaiki.